she's got a way of making beautiful things. You never know what nature will teach her, what inspiration will bring. DIY, DIY, Daisy, what are we making today? DIY, DIY, Daisy, I bet we'll make something great.
Hello, Gumboot Kids.
Hi, Daisy.
I'm going for a tea party at Scouts today, and I thought I'd wear something fun, like a crown. Would you like to make a willow branch crown, Gumboot Kids?
Yay!
Step 1. Next time you go for a nature walk, search for a wonderful willow tree. Look on the ground underneath it. Chances are you'll find some branches lying on the grass.
Found some.
Gather a few to take with you. Step 2. Make a circle with your long and bendy willow branch and tuck the stem under.
I'll help you. I get it. Make a circle and twist.
That's right, Gumboot Kids. You've got it.
It's coming together.
The circle should be able to fit around your head. Weave more branches in and around the circle until it's nice and sturdy.
Ooh, pretty.
Step 3. Decorate your crown with colorful leaves and flowers.
I'm going to put bluebells in mine.
These tulips fit.
That's it. Have fun. And remember, there's no right or wrong way to make a nature craft.
This is fun.
Okay, Gumboot Kids, let's see what you've made.
It fits. Oh, pretty. Beautiful. I love it.
Well done.
Yours fits me perfectly.
You look great, Gumboot Kids.
I love making flower crowns. Me too.
Lovely. And look, I've made one too. Do you think Scout will still recognize me? I'm Princess Daisy. See you soon, Gumboot Kids.
Goodbye, Daisy.